Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve square root a by 3a equal 3 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. So square root a by 3a equal 3. So we can write this as square root a by 3a equal 3 by 1. So square root a equal 3 times 3a. So square root a equals 9a. Now if I'll do squaring both sides, with the help of the square root removes. So a equal 9 square is 81 and a square is a square. So we can write this as 81a square minus a equals 0. Now if I'll take a as common, so 81a minus 1 equals 0. So from here, first a is equal 0, then 81a minus 1 equals 0. So it's 81a equals 1 and a equal 1 by 81. So these are the two values of a. Now method number 2, this was method number 1. Root a by 3a equal 3. So we can write this as root a by a times 1 by 3 equal 3, right? Now root a by a times 1 by 3 equal 3. If I'll multiply with 3 both sides, so this will cancel out. So root a by a equal 3 times 3. So root a by a equal 9. This root a, I can write it as a power 1 by 2 by a power 1 equal 9. So as per exponent rule, x power m by x power n, we can write it as x power m minus n. So it's a power 1 by 2 minus 1 equal 9. So it's a power 2, 2 minus 1 equal 9. So a power 1 by 2 equal 9. Now if I'll multiply in power 2 both sides, so this will cancel out. So a equal, it's negative 1 by 2. Negative 1 equal 81. So a equal, we can write 1 by a equal 81. So a equal 1 by 81. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.